Hare Krishna. Out of the four anarthas that Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains, the Tattva Vibhrama is a very, very important one. Because try to picturize it. If you have to go in your car on a ghats and all around there is fog, thick fog, you just cannot move ahead. Otherwise, there will be accidents. I remember being in an airport once. They made an announcement that the aeroplane is going to be delayed. We asked, how long? So they said, we don't know. As long as there is fog, we cannot take off. So again, after a couple of hours, we asked, now, is it going to go? They said, no. Now we are not sure. So they said, only when the sun rises, the fog dissipates, then only the plane can take off. It can be 2 hours, it can be 20 hours. So they said like that. So in the same manner, in our life also, spiritual life, you just cannot put even one step ahead if there is a tattva vibhrama, if there is a bewilderment about the truth. So there are four truths: swatattva vibhrama, paratattva vibhrama, sadhana vibhrama, sadhya vibhrama. Swatattva vibhrama is the first thing Lord Chaitanya explained to Sanatana Goswami. Sanatana asked him, Keyame kena amay yare tapatroy yeha nahi jani shudra kena noy. He said, Gramya Vavahare Pandita Yeha Satyamani Apanara Hita Hita Kichunai Jani. He said, My dear Lord Chaitanya, Ke Ami, who am I? Ke Amai Yartapatra. He said that why are the threefold miseries attacking me? Adhyatmika, Adhibhautika, Adhidaivika, Kleshas. I only know that I am in this world and I am being troubled by the threefold miseries. But I don't know who am I? Why am I put here? I do not know, he says. This is the first step in spiritual life. Be thoroughly honest. We may be a doctorate from a foreign university. Still we are foolish because we don't know who we are. And we don't know the purpose of life, meaning of life. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu revealed the truth to him. Of course, why did Lord Chaitanya reveal the truth to him? Because Sanatan told him, Gramya Vyavahare, he said that people in the, sometimes ordinary people praise me as a great Pandita, learned person, because I am holding a big post in Nawab Hussain Shah's palace as finance minister, home minister and all that. So he said, I also consider myself very great foolishly because of that. Apanara hita hita kichunai jani. But I don't know what is beneficial to me, what is harmful to me, what I should do, what I should not do, what is meaning of life. I don't know anything. I am an ignoramus. So because Sanatan honestly admitted himself to be ignorant, Lord Chaitanya was pleased with that right attitude of the disciple. Then he agreed to reveal. Otherwise, the Lord wouldn't reveal. Even Arjuna also, in 2.7 Bhagavad Gita, he said, Shishyaste aham shadimam tvam prapannam. He said, I am your Shishya. You are my master. Nobody else can enlighten me, Krishna, except you. So, unless there is a great humility that awakens in our heart and we take shelter of someone coming in Guru Parampara, then only the truth will be revealed. Otherwise, if we are very in a mood of superiority, we think I am very educated, I am very highly qualified, we have BTech, MTech, PhD, and I know many things. It is like a glass already full with milk. If you pour milk, it will overflow. It cannot benefit. And I saw in the train, there was one vendor who asked me some question, spiritual question. When I went on to answer, he said, wait a minute, I didn't ask you for any answers. I told you the question, you may not know, I will give you the answer, he said. So he started giving me answers. He's hearing some Swamiji in the YouTube, what he has heard, he was telling examples. I told him, sorry sir, I have to chant now. I told him, you relax, you can preach to somebody else. So because he has no respect for my answers, why should I answer him? It will be like pouring ghee in ashes. So Because Sanatana had the right humble attitude, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu revealed to him. He said, Jivera Swarupo Hoi Krishnara Nitya Das, Krishnara Tatastha Shakti Bheda Abheda Prakash. In just one verse, he concluded the truth. He told him, the Jivatma is Krishna Das. Your identity is Krishna is your master and you are his servant. And Krishna is a Tatastha Shakti. Who are you? You are a Tatastha Shakti. Just like the bank of a river is sometimes wet, sometimes dry. Similarly, the Jiva can be in the spiritual world or in the material world. You are a Tatastha Shakti of the Lord. And you are Achintya Bheda Bheda. The Lord is telling this. So from here, the Lord starts telling him the truths. Sanatana is actually a very exalted soul, portraying the role of a conditioned soul like all of us. He is teaching us this good lesson. So Swatattva means I am the Jiva. Paratattva is the ultimate Lord is Supreme Lord is Krishna. Sadhana is chanting of the holy name and executing the 64 limbs of devotional service or Navavida Bhakti. And Sadhya is Krishna Prem. So these four things are the greatest secret that is revealed in our Guru Parampara, which we can only take this matter seriously if we have the right mindset. Like for example, if there is a rain coming from the sky, if it falls on a cement, it's not going to do anything. If it falls on fire, it will get extinguished, isn't it? On the other hand, if it falls on a farm, it may help a seed grow and produce some mango or some tree. And if it falls on a seashell, and the seashell closes, it can produce a pearl later on. The same drop of water, it produces different effects depending on the recipient. So, when we are right recipients, then the Parampara Acharyas become pleased with us, and then they will deliver the knowledge to us, and we can carry that knowledge and we can produce pearl-like realizations will come by their grace. And this is very vital, these four things, because when I was searching for the truth, Swatattva, who am I? That many people told correctly. You are not the body, you are the spirit soul. What is Paratattva? Somebody said God is impersonal. Somebody said God is personal. Somebody said God is Shunya, nothing. Everybody is speaking different things. And what is sadhana? Some people said just sit and meditate on concentric circles. When I tried that, I got headache. Yeah. So different people are saying different sadhanas. Different people. And what is sadhya? You just merge in God and you become God. That's what they were saying. These are all cheating. So fortunately, after roaming to various organizations, at last when I came, here I got these four questions and answers very clearly. And once the jiva develops firm faith in this knowledge, because the first step is to get the knowledge. Second step is to develop firm faith in the knowledge. So what is the knowledge? The Shastra is the map or the blueprint or the compass. It very clearly gives you, this is the four truths. Who am I? Who is God? What sadhana I should do? What is to be attained? This is given in the Shastra. So first we have to hear the Shastra and Guru Parampara with humility. After hearing it, the jiva considers, is this really true? And then one has many questions. Whatever it takes you, logic or reason or association of a great soul, ultimately the end result should be firm faith. What is that faith? Shraddha Shabde Vishwasa ko hai sudridha nischay Krishna Bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hai. If I do Krishna Bhakti, everything will be accomplished. I don't need to do anything extraneous. I don't have to become popular in this world. I don't have to become a millionaire or a billionaire. I don't have to be a very important person. If nobody in this world knows me, but if Krishna recognizes my humble surrender to him, my life is perfect. If Guru is pleased, Krishna is pleased, I am a grand success. If whole world is pleased with me, but Guru and Krishna are not pleased, my life is useless. So the devotee should come to this conclusion. If devotee has come to this, then why am I chanting? To please Krishna and Guru. Why am I performing devotion service? To please Krishna and Guru. That's all. If one can come to this conclusion, Krishna Bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hai. Shraddha Shabde Vishwasa ko hai sudrida nishtay. Because if one who has come to this only can be happy. If you think becoming popular is happy or becoming important is happy, by material accomplishments, many people commit suicide. Because the Jiva's constitutional position is not that. Jiva's constitutional position is to be an insignificant servant of Krishna, Radha and Krishna, and then make an effort, a little effort to please them. If they are pleased, our life is success. And we don't need anything else in life. And this conviction will only come when a firm faith has arisen in the heart. And that firm faith comes by Mahat Sevam Dwara Mahur Vimuktes Tamodwaram Yoshitam Sangi Sangam. It says, by Mahat Seva, by blessing of the great souls, only this faith can arise. So first acquire the knowledge in Guru Parampara, make sure you get the right blueprint, you get the right map, don't get cheated by so many different organizations. And many organizations pamper the body and mind. They don't give the real identity of the soul or the ultimate destination of the soul. They don't give that. So fortunately, we are in proper Guru Parampara, the four Sampradayas. We are getting the right blueprint. And then our goal is to develop a firm faith in that map and blueprint that is coming in Parampara by executing devotion service. And here comes the chanting of the holy name. Even if you don't know who Krishna is, you chant the holy name, eventually Krishna will reveal himself to you. And that happened to hippies. Hippies didn't even know what is this word Krishna. Prabhupada, when he introduced Krishna to them, but they kept on chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. The beauty of the holy name is it is non-different from Krishna. When Krishna sees somebody sincerely trying to chant, then he starts, delivering knowledge in the heart of the devotee, and the devotee becomes enlightened. And then all the Vibrama is gone. And like we say, Prema Bhakti Yaha Hoite, Avidya Vinasha Jate. And then Divya Jnana Hriday, Kashita. When the divine transcendent knowledge arises in the heart, the devotee becomes blissful. Many Westerners, when they came in the beginning, they didn't know who Krishna is. Now they can actually give eloquent sermons on Vedanta Sutra. As well as Bhanu Maharaj has written more than 100 books now. Just one introduction to Prabhupada. He got the connection. Now he is a great Pandita, learned personality who has written 100 books of the Acharyas. He is a great authority in deity worship. So you can see this Parampara connection is so valuable for us. Connection to Vaishnava, great Vaishnava lecturer Prabhupada. So cherish this connection, respect this connection, value this connection, and utilize the opportunity that you have got in the human form of life to accept the map and walk your life according to the map, reaching the ultimate destination of Krishna's lotus feet and engage in eternal loving service. Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, who are ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrindaki Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki